but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss.
Cycle, a very good friend of us in our childhood. Previously, cycles are meant to travel from place A to B. But now, as the technology is improving day by day, these cycles have started evolving in electric versions. So today in this video, we are going to talk about an electric cycle, and that electric cycle is this Stryder Zeeta Plus. Stryder is a Tata sub-brand, and the Zeeta Plus is recently launched electric cycle model in our Indian market. So let's look at all the details about this Stryder Zeeta Plus in this video. Hello friends, this is Aditya and you are watching Electric Vehicles India. First of all, if we look at designing language of this Stryder Zeeta Plus, if we compare with the normal cycles, this is somewhat different in looks because they removed the mudguards of this cycle. So with stock you won't get any mudguards. So by this, the look of this electric cycle is enhanced and everyone will look at your cycle when you're going on the road. If you look at the build quality of this electric cycle, it's totally made up of hard metal and the build quality is top notch. Stryder is providing lifetime warranty on this metal if there is any manufacturing defects, and on the battery and motor, Stryder is providing 2 years of warranty. So these are the details about the build quality and warranty. Now let's ride this electric cycle, and while riding, let's talk about rest of the things. Friends, this is the key of this Stryder Zeeta Plus electric cycle, and to switch on this, you need to keep this key here. And if you on this, a small SOC display will lit up, and there is no other display to indicate the speed or odometer of this electric cycle. You only get this a small SOC display which indicates the battery capacity in 3 bars. Now let's start riding this electric bicycle and let's talk about rest of the things while riding this. Friends, I am riding Stryder Zeeta Plus electric bicycle and the comfort is very good. Before talking about my comfort, let's look at some of the technical specs of this Zeeta Plus electric bicycle. First of all, we get 25.2 inches tubeless tires with this with spoke wheels, and when it comes to brakes, it's equipped with dual disc brakes at front and rear. So the braking bite is top notch. And if we come to handlebar is very comfortable. The LED light is missing in it, but they gave a reflector at the front. There is no bell. You only get a SOC display, a small SOC display on right side of this handlebar. So the battery capacity is split into 3 bars. At the left you get only brake, but at the right you get this throttle to power your electric bicycle. So you can ride this electric cycle with the help of this throttle and by pedaling your cycle. The one thing which I found negative in this electric bicycle is the suspension is missing in it. When you ride this electric cycle in this kind of road, you feel a bit uncomfortable without this suspension. So if they could have provided the suspension at front and rear, it could be very good. And the seat is also not so comfortable, but when you ride this electric cycle, you will get used to it. When it comes to battery capacity, it's a small battery. It's equipped with 36 volt 6Ah lithium-ion battery pack, which is non-removable. The battery pack is fixed here and it takes 3 hours to get it fully charged. If you charge once, you can travel 30 kilometers on this pedal assist mode. Now what is pedal assist mode? If you pedal 2 times, the motor will give you another push which is equal to 2 pedals. So like this, with the use of pedal assist mode, you can ride this electric cycle without any efforts. When it comes to motor, this cycle is equipped with 250 watts BLDC hub motor, with which it can go up to a top speed of 25 km per hour with the help of this throttle. But when you pedal like this manually, you can go up to a top speed of your wish. So it can bear a load capacity of 100 kgs. So even a 100 kg man sits on this and he pedals, it can go up to 25 km per hour top speed. So these are all the details about this Stryder Zeeta Plus electric cycle. When it comes to pricing, it launched at a price of 32,995 rupees, but on early bird offer, it's coming with a price tag of 26,995 rupees. I'll give you all the buying links in the description, so if any one of you interested in buying this electric cycle, please check it out. So let me share my experience in this 1 week of usage. Everything is very well equipped and very well fitted in this electric cycle except the suspension. So without suspension, you will feel every bump on this electric cycle, and there are no mud guards on this. As this is a monsoon season, the slush and water which are on the roads are going to fall on you from the back. And the third negative thing which I found is the comfort of this seat. The seat is not so comfortable. So I think if you get used to it, the seat will be comfortable. So rather than these three negative points, everything on this electric cycle is well designed. As you know, Tata is very famous for its build quality. So they are not compromised on the build quality on this Stryder Zeeta Plus electric cycle. So these are all the details about this Stryder Zeeta Plus electric cycle. Please let us know your thoughts on this electric cycle, and if you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Electric Vehicles India. Go green, go electric. Bye bye.